In this video, I will show you how to download PlayStation app on PC. So first thing you need to do is go to bluestacks.com. Go ahead and click on Run PlayStation. And here you will see your download. Once it's done, click on it. And then click on Agree and Install. Wait for it to finish, and after that, it is in another installation. Wait for it. And then click on Install from Google Play. And then click on Sign In and then type your email. Click on Next. Then type your password. So I will type my password here and then click on Next again and then click on I agree. Click on More and click on Accept. Click on Accept again, and as you can see, click on Install. Then click on Open. Then wait for it and click on Sign In. Then go ahead and you will sign in ID or type your email address. And that's it. If it helped you, please like and subscribe.